What's up, guys? So today we are going to be unboxing the world's thinnest diver's watch.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Gents Lounge. I'm George. This is Blake. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. Today we are unboxing a watch from Nove. So I did an unboxing video last week. You guys seem to like the format. So now we are unboxing this world's thinnest diver watch.
Super thin.
And I'm glad it's a diver watch because before we get into it, I've been wanting to show you guys what the bezel on a diver watch is actually for, because most people think it's just to tell the time, and it's actually to do a lot more than that.
It serves a purpose.
Let's jump right into this. So first of all, you got great packaging. And you open it up, got a nice foam, keeps everything sealed in there, pulling it out. So this is the world's thinnest diver's watch. It is called the Nove Trident. So it's Swiss made. Look at this, guys. Look at how thin this watch is.
Yeah, and if you guys aren't familiar with diver's watches, usually they are thick, so like you could see it on your wrist. But this one is super sleek, very like gentlemanly, but like George said, it still serves a function and a purpose.
Yes. So guys, if you don't know already what the bezel on a diver's watch is for, usually it goes from 0 to 60, and then most of the time, sometimes the 0 to 15 is highlighted for a specific reason, because back in the day, divers did not know how much oxygen was in their tanks. So they would set a timer so they knew when to come up for air, because if they didn't, they would suffocate and die. So now it's a lot more sophisticated. It's not quite necessary, but the diver watch still holds true and is great for other things that you need to keep track of. Speaking of, so say you leave your car at a parking meter and you have 45 minutes to get back. So basically what you want to do is take the 0 and then twist it to where the minute hand is right now. So the 0 is there, and then you can see, you'll know when 5 minutes went by, 10 minutes went by, and then all the way up to your 45. So you know when to get back to your car. And I actually love this watch because it shows how the bezel works and how you're not able to twist it the other way. So if you bump it, the only thing you're gonna do is get to your car early.
Yeah.
If you bump it the other way, it won't move that way, one. But if you were to bump it the other way, you would, one, suffocate and die, or be late for your car. So it shows you how it literally stops it from going the other way with the ratchet system, which is very cool to look at, and definitely an interesting design that I haven't seen from many watchmakers. So this watch is around $500, which is great for a Swiss-made watch, the thinnest diver's watch, and it is, you know, water tested to go very deep.
So if you guys are unfamiliar with watches, Swiss made is the cream of the crop. It is like the highest. That's where you want to get a watch from. And this one right here is Swiss made. It's actually very stylish as well. I know George spoke about the mechanics behind it, the function, but let's just talk about like how stylish this bad boy is. It's very sleek. It has a cool design. I know they have a few different colors, but this one right here is like a midnight blue with a black bezel. Super sick, right?
Right. I mean, as you can see, we are wearing all blue today to kind of complement this watch in particular. So, you know, it's great to go with a good monochrome look when you're, you know, trying a different color watch band or something kind of outside the normal white face or normal face you're looking at in a watch.
Yeah, so I mean, this one is an eye catcher though. I mean, if you're rocking it, chances are I'm gonna ask questions because it's super thin. I mean, I can't emphasize that enough. Usually watches are really bulky, but for a Swiss made watch, dude, let's try it on.
All right, so as you guys might know, I have much bigger wrists than Blake does, and this is not adjusted yet, so I'm pretty much sample size when it comes to the watches, but I mean, I have large wrists, and this is what, probably 42, 45 with the face, but it does not look massive because it is
super
so thin.
Yeah.
If it was a thicker watch, this would look very big. So I think you can get away with the bigger watch face when you have a thinner, sleeker watch to work with.
So like George said, this is about $530, but we are gonna have a promo code that's gonna give you 20% off the whole site. That's like a killer deal, guys.
Right, guys, so we'll have a link to Nove down below. You can check out all of their watches and not just this world's thinnest dive watch, which is pretty freaking awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. If you guys are interested in checking Nove out, we will have a link to them down below, along with a code for 20% off their whole website. So I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but since we started filming and I set this timer when I was talking to you guys, it has been 7.5 minutes. So, you know, it's just good to know to keep track of stuff. If you have like little things throughout the day and you don't want to check your phone or set a timer, you can use your watch and do it old school, guys. All right, so that pretty much wraps up the video. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. We really appreciate it. If you haven't followed us on Instagram yet, please follow us over there. We'll have some close-up pictures of this watch, which are gonna be beautiful.
Yes.
And we will see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.